Agortime Kpetoe Festival, a vibrant celebration of culture and heritage. Agortime Kpetoe Festival is a vibrant and colorful celebration held annually in the Agortime district of the Volta region in Ghana. The festival is a showcase of the rich cultural heritage and traditions of the Agortime people, with a special focus on the iconic Kente cloth, a symbol of identity and pride. Kente cloth is a symbol of identity and pride for the people of Agortime, and the festival is an opportunity to celebrate its significance. The cloth is known for its bright colors and intricate designs, each with its own meanings and significance. During the festival, participants wear their finest Kente outfits, showcasing the beauty and diversity of the cloth. Music, dance, and food. The festival features a range of activities including traditional music and dance performances, food exhibitions, and craft displays. Visitors can enjoy local delicacies such as akplen and groundnut soup, while also exploring the various stalls selling traditional crafts and souvenirs. Cultural significance. The Agortime Kente Festival is more than just a celebration, it's a way of preserving the cultural heritage of the Agortime people. The festival provides an opportunity for the younger generation to learn about their traditions and customs, ensuring the continuation of their cultural identity, unity, and community. The festival also promotes unity and community among the people of Agortime. It brings together people from all walks of life, fostering a sense of belongings and togetherness. Visitors from other regions and countries are also welcome to join in the celebration, making it a truly inclusive event. The Agortime Kente Festival is a must-attend event for anyone interested in Ghanaian culture and traditions. It is a celebration that showcases the beauty and significance of Kente cloth, while also promoting unity and community. So mark your calendars and get ready to experience the vibrant culture of the people of Agortime.